Trick for anions with part 1. Fine cloud brings in open-hearted house coppers now. Fine for fluoride ion. Cloud for chloride ion. Brings for bromide ion. In for iodide ion. Open-hearted for hydroxide ion. House coppers for hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4 ion. Now, the first now for dioxonitrate 4 ion. Second now for trioxonitrate 5 ion.
Remember, Anions was powers 2 and 3 forever. Watch this next awesome video and be amazed. You won't believe this trick existed for Anions was powers 2 and 3. Subscribe and share now to get distinctions in your subjects.